Good morning. Today is day 77 of Abeka Kindergarten. We're going to get started with the alphabet. Let's say the words and the sounds, the full alphabet sentence. A says A as in apple. A says A, A, A. B says B as in bell. B says B, B, B. C says K as in cat. C says K, K, K. D says D as in dog. D says D, D, D. E says E as in elephant. E says E, E, E. F says F as in fox. F says F. G says G as in goat. G says G, G, G. H says H as in horse. H says H, H, H. I says I as in inchworm. I says I. J says J as in jar. J says J, J, J. K says K as in kite. K says K, K, K. L says ul as in lamp. L says ul. M says as in milk. M says N says as in nest. N says O says as in ostrich. O says ah. P says p as in pig. P says p, p, p. Q says qu as in queen. Q says qu, qu, qu. R says as in ring. R says S says s as in sun. S says s. T says t as in table. T says t, t, t. U says as in umbrella. U says V says v as in violin. V says v. W says w as in wagon. W says w. X says x as in box. X says x. Y says y as in yarn. Y says y. Z says z as in zebra. Z says z. Okay, now we're going to do some blends together. You say them with me, and once in a while I'll let you say one by yourself. Ka, wa, ba, na, we, li, ha, ra, si, ta. What is that one? L, O. La, in, I, ni, pa, wa, n, na, sa, ya, ja, je, te. What is this one? Remember, the QU is one sound. Qua, qua. Wa, wa. What is this one? y, ye, a, ma, la, me, ra, va, re, ne, re, sa, ra. Okay, that's all for those blends. Now you're going to do your page 77 out of your letters and sounds book. Circle the letter that completes each word. There on the top. Let's do the first one. B, ba. Let's try the P. See if the P works there. Bup, bup. Let's try the S because bup is not making a word. Bus, bus. That makes a word. A bus. So you can circle the S or you can draw it in right there on top of that line. Okay, now down here it says match. If you read these words, match them to the picture that they are describing. And here it says 3. Write the blends your teacher says. I will give those blends to you now. Are you ready? Pick up your pencil. The first blend I'm going to give you is de. De. Right? De. Right here on your page. Now for the next one, on the next line, you're going to write the blend ma. Ma. And for the last one, you're going to write the blend. Are you ready? P. Write the blend P. Okay, and the back of the page is for extra practice, which is page 72. It says, Fun with Phonics. Draw a line to match the word with the picture. Color the pictures. So you can read these words and match them to the pictures on this side, and then you can color them. It's not a very big lesson today. Okay, and then you're going to do this page, which is page 83 in your Writing with Phonics book. Let's read these, shall we? Fin, fin. And this one, sun. 2 more. Hen. 1 more. Yell. You do this page, but not the back, only the front. Okay, now we'll start on your numbers. Let's read through your number chart first. You ready? Say them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Let's do a story problem. What if Uncle Ron has 5 cows in the barn? And then 1 more cow goes into the barn. Now how many cows are in the barn? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there are 6 cows in the barn. Let's try another story problem. What if Uncle Ron has 7 cows outside the barn and one more cow comes out of the barn with the rest of them out there? How much are out there now? How many are out there now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there are 8 cows outside the barn. Okay, now we're going to look at these cards and we're going to count by tens with these cards. Do you see the gumballs in the gumball machine? Let's count how many are in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 gumballs in this gumball machine, and actually all these cards have 10 gumballs in the gumball machine. So since they all have 10, we're going to count by tens. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So now we know we have 60 gumballs because we counted by 10 and we added them up. Now we're going to do it again, but we're going to write the number on the sticky note I put on the front. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now when we added all these gumballs together, it turned out to be how many? 60 gumballs when we added them all together because each gumball machine had 10. We're going to go over the threes family. 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 0 equals 3. And 2, 1, 2 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 3. And if we turn it around, we can say 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now you will do your number skills, page 61. At the top it says write the combinations. We're going to do that together this time. Okay, so this combination, let's say it together first. How about that? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 equals. So how many do we put in this box? We put 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in that box. And in this box, 1. And now we add them together and then we put it on the bottom. 4 plus 1 equals, let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. I'll help you with this one and then I'll let you do this one by yourself. So here's 1. We put 1 right there. And here is, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3. And we need to put that number in this box. And now we add them together and put them in the bottom. Let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Okay, now I'll let you do this one. This one says add. You will add these numbers together and write them in the box. And this says count and write by tens. Let's do this one together. 1, 2, let's count the pins first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pins, and they all have 10. So we have to count by tens for this. So, you remember what I did here when I put the number below? So now you put 10. Now we have another 10, so 10 plus 10 is 10. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20. So you will put 20 right here. 10, 20, and now another 10, 10, 20, 30. So then you'll put 30 in this box. So after you put 10, 20, 30, then one more, 40. You put 10, 20, 30, and then you put 40 in this one, because once you've added them all together, it equals 40. Now this one is the same thing, but it has balloons. 10 balloons each, and you count by tens. 10, 20, and you put 20 in this box, and I'll let you finish the other 3, and you just keep counting by tens. Okay, that looks like it's it for today. Kind of a short lesson today. Have a good day. Goodbye.